Welcome to our channel. Today we are counting down the best affiliate networks to boost your passive income in 2024. In this video we will discuss about the top affiliate networks. Channel. Today we are counting down the best 7 affiliate networks to boost your passive income. After 3.5 years in affiliate marketing, I have found some networks that really works. Let's dive into my top picks to help you grow your affiliate marketing business. Starting at number 7, we have ShareASale. This network is great for beginners, offering a mix of digital and physical products. You will have to access over 4,500 merchants, including big names like Zen Business, Reebok, Shein. Number 6 is Amazon Associates. It's accessible to almost everyone with a massive range of products. Amazon sees over 98 million users every month and have 150 million Prime members. You can earn commission on nearly anything that is sold on Amazon. However, be cautious of Amazon's occasional commission rate cuts, which can impact your earning. At number 5 is FlexOffer. It's been around for 15 years and offers a dedicated account manager for each publisher. With over 12,000 merchants, including brands like Netflix and Ulta, FlexOffer is a reliable choice. Number 4 is Commission Junction, or CJ. It's one of the oldest and most popular network with thousands of merchants. You will find big brands like Zappos, Wayfair, Nike, Walgreens, Verbo, Overstock, Office Depot. Coming in at number 3 is ClickBank. Known for digital products like ebooks and online courses, it's been a favorite for marketers since 1998. ClickBank offers commission and easy checkout process from dog training to weight loss program. You will find a wide variety of info products to promote. Number 2 is PartnerStack, ideal for software affiliates. It's designed for monetizing software reviews, offering commission from 20% to 50%. PartnerStack's user-friendly dashboard makes tracking sales and commissions easy. It's a great choice if you are focused on software products. Finally, my top pick is Impact. This partnership network lets you work directly with the brands like Shopify and HelloFresh, setting custom contracts and commission structures. Remember guys, diversification is the key. Join multiple networks to ensure your income stays stable, even if one network changes its terms or rates. To get started, focus on building quality content and traffic. Once you have a steady flow, sign up for affiliate programs and generating sales become much easier. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more affiliate marketing tips and I will see you in my next video.